Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let us discuss average problems. Very important. Let's see first question. Let us see the first question. Average age of X members of a group is 30 years. 20 more members with the average age of 50 years are added, and then the new average age becomes 35 years. So, what is the value of X? Find out X value. Average of X members. X members average is 30. X members average is 30. Total value 30x. Okay. Then 20 more members with the average age of 50 years are added. 20 more members with the average age of 50 years are added. 50 years are added. Okay. Then new average become 35 years. Okay. New average 35. How many members average? X members plus extra 20 members added. 20 members value 20 into 30. 20 into 50 total value. Okay, 30 into x plus 20 into 50, 20 into 50 divided by x members plus 20 added. There will become a 35 years average. New average 35, overall average 35. Find the value of x value. Find out. Let us find out x value. 30x 20 into 50 1000. 1000 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 35. Cross multiply 35 into x 35x 35 into 20 700. 30x is equal to 30x plus 1000. 30 comes to left side. 35 minus 30 5x is equal to 700 right side. 1000 minus 700 300. X value divided by 500 divided by 300 divided by 5 on x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60. Let us see the question. What is the value of x? Option C, right answer 60. Let's see the question. Hi. Let us see the question. The average problems. The average rate of 16 apples is 24, and the average rate of 24 oranges is 15. If all the fruits are kept in a bag, what is the average price of all fruits? Find out the average price of all fruits. If all the fruits are kept in a one bag, 16 apples has given average 24. Total value. Find out 16 into 24. Multiply this 16 into 24, you can get 384. 16 average rate is 24. 16 apples price is average rate 24. 16 into 24 total value 384. Then again 24 oranges is equal to 15. Find the total amount. 24 into 15. 24 into 15. 15 for 60. 15 into 30. 30 plus 6, 360. Total 360. Add this 384 plus 360. Total how much? Plus side 384 plus 364. 444. 744. You can get 744. Total no? 16. 384 plus 360 is equal to 744. 744. Divided by total how many fruits? 16 apples, 24 oranges. 16 plus 24 40. calculate this, now we can get answer 744 divided by 40, right? 4 ones, 4 1 times 4 ones of 4 eights 4 6 184 186, sorry, 186, 1 point 18.16, we can get answer, we can get answer 18.6. Total average price all fruits 18.6, right answer. Average price of all fruits 18.6. Hundred students in hostel. There were 100 students in hostel. 25 more students joined the hostel. Due to this, expenses of mess increased by 500 day, while the expenditure per student decreased by 50. What is the initial expenditure of mess a day? What is the initial expenditure mess a day? Initial expenditure. Find out. Let us find out initial expenditure. Initial expenditure, we can take X. Initial expenditure X. Total initial expenditure X. X into total how X. Let total 100 students. Okay, total 100 students into initial expenditure into X is equal to total expenses. Total expenses. Okay. Positive, we have 100 students. 25 more students joined the hostel. Due to the expenses mess increased by 800 per day, while the expenditure for a student is decreased by 50 day. What is the initial expenditure? Initial expenditure, you can take X. Total initial expenditure X plus total expenditure is 100 into X is 100X. Okay, total expenditure 100X plus expense 25 more means joined plus 800 increased, 800 expense increased is equal to 800 increased plus total 800 plus increased. Okay, total expenditure 100 plus 800. Okay, total expenditure 100 plus X plus 800. Total how many members? 100 students plus 25, 100 plus 25 into, while the expenditure decreased by 50 per day. Okay, total 100 plus 25 expenditure decreased. How much initial expenditure is X? Initial expenditure X. Initial expenditure X minus 50 decreased. Total expenditure 100 plus X total expense plus 800 increased due to 25 members added. 100 plus 25 members added. Then expenditure, initial expenditure already X. Then expenditure decreased by 50. Then after 25 members added, X minus 50. Total initial expenditure X minus 50 decreased initial expenditure. Okay. Then 125. 125, 100 plus 125 X 125 minus 125 into 50 1600 125 into 125 50 ಅಂದಾಗ let us 150 into 125 is equal to 6250. 6250 50 into 125 6250. Okay, let 100x, this is 100x 800 25. Let us come to left side. 100 minus 125, 25x is equals to 800 minus 100, 7050, right? 7050, 7050. X into x is equal to 7050 divided by 25. X is equal to 750 divided by 25. You can get 282. 282. Okay, 282. 100 per 100. You can get answer option C, E, right answer 28,200.